God said, I need someone to care for the sick, the fragile, the broken, and the dying. And God made nurses. Nurses are the reasons for so many happy faces going back home from hospitals. They are the reason for many as they give them hopes to live. Every day they make someone smile and help come out of the pain. No doubts, nurses are source of inspiration and happiness for many patients and their families. And today we are celebrating International Nurses Day 2021. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you on behalf of Delhi Public School. I wish to all the nurses of the world a very happy International Nurses Day. ICN President Annette Kennedy said, the global COVID-19 pandemic has shown the world the important role that nurses play in keeping people healthy across the lifespan. We all know during times of COVID, nurses are the first to assist the patients. They care them with respectful treatment. Their sacrifice during the times of epidemic or pandemic are very well acknowledged and appreciated. My dear friends, let me tell you the reason behind the celebration of International Nurses Day. This day has celebrated since 1965 and marks the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth, the founder of modern nursing, and we celebrate the achievements of nursing profession on this day. This day is to highlight the importance of nurses around the world and to remember them for their immense hard work and contribution. In 2021, the theme for International Nurses Day is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare. This year's celebration is to focus on the changes and the innovations in nursing. And now, this will ultimately shape the future of healthcare. Dear friends, we should thank to all the nurses for being such a wonderful, selfless person. Thanks for being so kind and dedicated in their job. We pray to God for such a hard-working person who takes best care of the patients. Thank you. Have a nice day.